Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update that is Go Ideas Go off-campus drive for freshers. So they are currently hiring for freshers that too for 0 to 1 years of experience, and the name of the company is Go Ideas Go. So we shall quickly see what is the job description for this role. So the job description is that the job location it is Bangalore and it's work from office. And next thing is the experience is 0 to 1 years of experience, and then the course specialization it is for BE BTech, that to CS or IT itself, as well as BCA graduates as well as MCA graduates are eligible to apply for this role. The next thing is that the target batch is 2019 as well as 2020 batch are eligible to apply for this. So initially once you get selected there will be training period for 6 months, and this training period it is also conducted, so it is totally work from office. And salary during the training period it is 1.8 LPA, and after successful completion of training period the salary will be 3.6 LPA to 6 LPA. So this is the job description and eligibility criteria for applying for the job role. Then this is the in detail job description. The first thing is that you should have knowledge of Git, as well as you should know some of the basic bash commands or some of the Git commands, and you should be expected to work on both front-end technologies as well as back-end projects using JavaScript. That is, you need to work with both front-end technologies as well as back-end projects, and for this they are going to train you once you get selected. And the next thing is, but you need to have knowledge of either one programming language. So then knowledge of either, that is at the database you should have knowledge of SQL, MySQL or MongoDB. And next thing is that you should have good knowledge of data structures, and you should be able to write code in any one of the programming language. And next thing is that the communication should be very good, and you should communicate effectively and work as a part of team. And the next thing is that you need to maintain the code. So you need to maintain the best practices while coding, as well as using test cases and also versioning of the source code. That is, you need to be good in any one of the programming language. It can be Java, Python, C, whichever. And in that programming language you should be strong with OOPS concepts as well as the data structures that are involved with that language. And you should have knowledge of any one of the database. And once you will be hired, you will be working on both front-end as well as back-end projects. So then next thing is the skill sets. So again we have some skill sets like strong knowledge of, like they have mentioned front-end as well as back-end. So at the back-end you need to be good in any one of the programming language, and at the front-end you should have strong knowledge of any one of the front-end technologies. It can be HTML, CSS or JavaScript. And if you have knowledge of Photoshop or Illustrator, it is one of the good point, or you can say it is one of the plus point. And next thing is good English communication, both writing skills as well as verbal. And next thing is knowledge of basic data structures like algorithms, and you should have knowledge of data structures, hands-on practice you can say with respect to arrays, strings, linked list as well as trees. So these are few common skills that is needed for this job role. So then we shall quickly see what is the interview process. There are only 2 rounds of selection process. The first round will be telephonic interview. So once you apply for this job role, so the link will be provided in the description box. You can quickly go and apply for this job role. So once you apply, within few days you will get a telephonic round. So after that, once you clear the telephonic round, you will be going the video round with coding test. So there will be video round, and they will give you the code, and you're going to write the code for the same and execute it in front of them. So there will be only 2 interview rounds for this process, so you can quickly go and apply for this job role and prepare for the same. So even salary is very good, like it is around 3.6 LPA to more, and it is also based on the performance, and job location is Bangalore. So quickly go and apply for this job role. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.